Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. The dogs are in the house. Hop on, Marianne, joining me for the intro, I guess, in this morning's episode. All right, I have something I really want to share with you today. A very interesting thing. Anytime that I find a product or a service or anything that I find really interesting and I'm really happy with, I always want to share that with you guys in case there is someone out there who wants to do the same things that we do. So anyway, this morning I'm going to share with you a upgrade in our 2017 Toyota Hilux. Something I always wanted and I finally have it. So if that's intriguing to you, hang around. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Now it is a beautiful morning here in the Philippines. Beautiful morning. Sorry about the noise. As you know, we're doing the coverage of the new home built at our Canadian neighbors right across the street. Marianne, you enjoying your little house underneath the sink here? She hangs out here. That's our place. Anyway, today I want to share with you something that is really exciting. And you need a bath. Now, from time to time, when we find something that we really like, a service or a product, and we find that it's outstanding, what we do here is we share that with you, our YouTube audience. In the event that you want to take advantage of the same experience that we've experienced here at Villa Feliz. And today is one of those things. One of those things I want to share with you has to do with our truck, our Toyota Hilux. Now, if you've been following the series, you know that we bought a new Toyota Hilux back in 2017. And it's a 2017 Toyota Hilux. And when we bought it, one of the things that I really wanted on that truck, I really wanted like leather seats. Now, in the Philippines, unlike other places, in the Philippines, there are limitations to some of the options that you can get when you're choosing your vehicle. And one of the limitations for the 2017, and I believe still today up to the 2022 model, is you cannot get your Toyota Hilux configured with leather seats. It comes with a fabric type of a seat on the inside. And most of the time the dealership will give you complimentary, they'll give you these seat covers, and it's like a sheet. It's like a sheet with a little cord inside that you can fit over your seats. And it's mainly just to keep you from getting dirt and things like that, the dust when you're driving around on your fabric seats. Well, a friend of ours, as a matter of fact, our neighbors directly across the street, introduced us to a company here in the Philippines that provides a service of putting something, and I'm not even sure if it is leather or it's some type of a cowhide, but it's very, very high quality seat covers. Well, it's much easier for me to show you than to talk about it right here. So, first of all, let's go down and take a look at what it used to look like inside our truck. Okay, here's installation day. The team came down from Calamba, Laguna. They came down. They brought all of the seat material and the tools that they needed to do the installation. You can see them here. They're in the back. They'd already done the installation of the front seats. They're in the back seat. One of the things that they had to do was remove the complete rear seat assembly. Here, what you see, they come in, and this is the bags that the seat covers came in. Again, they produce it right there at their own factory in Calamba, Laguna area. So they pull all the parts off of the seats, the headrest, the bolts that connect the rear seat into the chassis of the vehicle itself, and they do everything. And they took their time doing the job, and very, very good, very professional job from beginning to end. And I was really really happy with the quality of the work that these guys did. First rate. Okay, we're done here with the install, and I got to tell you, this looks like I couldn't get this when we went to the Toyota place. We were looking for something that was like factory leather, but you don't get that in Toyotas here, in Toyota Hiluxes. The trucks, I still like the upgraded seats, and I'm really happy with this. Look at the little neck rest right here, little cover. He just got done with this right here for the little storage, the armrest storage component here. And what we're going to do, we're going to go talk with the folks who just did this. If you're interested in getting something like this installed in your vehicle, no matter what the vehicle is, a car, truck, very professional. And I'll let the guys here talk about their service, so you can contact them.
Yan. Anong pangalan mo?
Lester Calara po.
Ano ang pangalan ng inyong kampanya?
CARARTEHAN seat cover.
Anong ginagawa ng kampanya ninyo?
Marami po. Nagawa po kami mga seat cover, mga sopa po, at kahit ano pa pong sopa po.
Busy ka ba ngayong panahon ito?
Yes, ma'am. Dahil po marami nagpapagawa po ng seat cover sa amin ngayon.
Napakagaling.
Yes, ma'am.
Saan nakikita yung paano kung gustong kontakin ng inyong kampanya?
Meron po kaming Facebook account saka sa Facebook account ng aming CARARTEHAN seat cover.
Anong pangalan sa Facebook kung hahanapin?
CARARTEHAN seat cover. Upholstery.
Kapag kinonta kayo, tapos nag-usap na, dadalhin ba sasakyan sa inyo? Kayo ang pupunta sa bahay?
Depende po sa gusto ng client po kung magpapa-home service or siya po ang pupunta doon sa shop po.
Napakagaling.
Salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Salamat po, sir.
Now let's go down to the basement, and I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull the truck out inside the driveway where we have some natural light out here. It's not so dark inside the garage. And I want to show you what this great team from Laguna did installing our new seat covers. Now, unfortunately, I didn't take any before videos. I should have pulled the truck out here and showed you what it looks like with just the cloth seats that were inside there. And there's really was nothing spectacular about it. It was just regular seats, nothing to write home about. But I didn't do that, but I did take the pictures that had to go to the upholstery company so that they had an idea to make sure that the seats that they were building at their company were the ones that were made for this specific model, year and model of the Toyota Hilux. Well, let's go ahead and look at the new seat covers that they put in, and I think you're going to be amazed. Now, when I went and I purchased this truck, this is what I was hoping to find as an option. I want you to look at these seat covers, and I want you to see the professionalism of the install as well. Quality and the professional install. These look just like leather seats, like our leather seats on our vehicle that we used to have back in the US. I want you to look at the detail on the install, how it is fine fitted. The threading is absolutely like something that would have come from Toyota. the headrest to have a seat cover. They even put this is thrown in extra, this little neck rest. I have to tell you, this support for the neck is absolutely one of the best things that I could have asked for with this entire upgrade right here. It is so comfortable now. They even include the leather cover, or whatever this cover is, whatever the material is here. It feels like leather, but it's probably some type of a cowhide. But you see, it is fitted exactly like you would expect from the factory. Let's go ahead and take a look at the seats inside the back. Now I want you to look at this. I want you to look at the fitting again back here. It is exactly like factory. Now, headrest, get the covers, the small headrest for the center position. Now there is a armrest that comes down inside here. It has a cup holder, and what they have inside here, I haven't even opened this yet. Let's take a look. So if you want to take advantage of this, this is how you would be able to actually access this right here. You can get, and you don't lose any functionality, and you still have the armrest and the cup holder here as well. Also built into the back, because in the seats that come with the Toyota, there are some places for you to store, and you still have that here. You see inside, you still have the storage capability in here, and when you don't need it, it's nice and covered just like that. Well, there you have it. I gotta tell you, I'm really excited, and it feels very cushiony. Inside the material here, there is additional layer of cushion inside, and it gives a very nice feeling. And I got to tell you, it feels like this is a totally different truck here. It feels like a new vehicle to us right here. Both Ness and I observed that when we were driving yesterday. Yesterday was the first time we took this out since the install of the new seat covers. Well, there you have it. I'm excited. I'm excited. It's like it's a 5-year-old truck, but it feels brand new to us right now. So regardless of whether you are looking for seat covers for a new vehicle that you just purchased that didn't have this option available, or if you just want to do an upgrade on one of your older vehicles and make it feel new again, this is a great upgrade. I give it 2 thumbs up. And what I'm going to do today, I'm going to put a link. I'm going to put a link in today's episode. It's a Facebook page if you want to contact the folks up in Laguna. And you're probably asking yourself, how much does something like this cost? Well, this entire upgrade, and I got to say, includes installation. They drove down from Laguna, which is about, I'm going to say it's about maybe 40 minutes away from here. They drove down here, did the install, the custom install, which included taking out the back seat. They had to remove the entire back seat to be able to do the perfect installation so that it doesn't slip or slide later on. A very, very factory type professional install. The total price for everything out the door, under 8,000 pesos.
Say what?
There you go. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I hear family upstairs. It's Saturday here, and we have a ear nest in the background. So anyway, we have family. I gotta go and join them, and so that we can enjoy the weekend, maybe take a dip in the pool. So if you enjoyed today's episode, please give me a thumbs up, please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on that little MyPI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed, and you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So until next time, from right here in the beautiful Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. Hey, it's noisy in here! If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right, and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.